Hello and welcome to another update video about gold. Yeah, gold I think probably has now completed its wave 2. In the previous video we looked at, if you remember, we looked at two different scenarios. We had the resistance area here on the chart. Let me actually add that back in here. And we were just at the ceiling of this resistance, and the signal level was the 1940 level. So the communication was above 1940. We have to assume that we get an impulse, that this is all an impulse and not just a three-wave move, because until then, out of this support area where we did expect a turn around, we broke into resistance, deeply into resistance, and the signal above 1940 indicated that, yeah, it's probably not a B wave, A, B, C, and B. No, it's probably then a 5-wave move, and that's what we go with. Remember that anywhere in this green support area, we did expect the wave 2 to bottom. So generally bullish, either here as a wave 2 low, but to be honest, it's a shallow one, but that's okay. It entered the support area. Or as just the A wave, here the B wave, and then the C wave down, but probably everything was going on in the banking world, gave it a little bit of a catalyst to the upside. And I'm seeing now 5 waves up, and that's the main reason why I'm taking out the B wave, also because it broke above the wave 1 high. So how can we look at that? So it's a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can it go higher? Surely, but a pullback is now getting increasingly likely because now we have pretty full 5 waves. Yeah, again, can go still a little higher, but it's getting, I think, towards the end. I mean, at the moment, it's just sideways. It's consolidating sideways. So for now, the focus could still be on higher, but bear in mind the pullback chances increase now. What would be the first signal that we get a pullback? We would need a break below 1963. That would be a strong signal that this move up is over for now within a large uptrend. So the idea is we are in this third wave. Let me actually add or change the wave degree. Yeah, that's okay. And then we can say this was a wave 1. Ideally, we're then looking at the next wave 2 pullback. We just came from one. This was a wave 2 pullback. Now we're looking for the next possible area for a pullback. And I can give you that area, but I don't have a confirmation in that the top is in place, right? So it really only makes sense to define these when we have a top in place. Now, because I can't always be there, right? I'll give you that now. So this would be the area that is relevant for a wave 2 pullback. Ideally, you want the price to get into the region between 1913 and 1854. Now, we've seen just that gold doesn't really like the deep pullback apparently. So what I'll do in this case, for now, I take the 78.6 retrace out and I'm adding the 38.2. We then talk about an area between 1889 and 1938. If I need to add additional fibs, I can still do that later. Also, I need a bit of clarity of the structure when we come down to be able to calculate a possible endpoint for that wave 2. But I think that's sort of the situation we're in at the moment. Possible pullback coming up, but no sign yet. You can get as a signal as well, or a signal would be if we break this trend line. So you can put that onto your chart. These are pretty good breakout or breakthrough signals. Yeah, if that trend line is breaking, it would indicate that wave 1, that impulse is done, and that we are coming down in a correction ABC within wave 2. Okay, that's my update about gold. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.